Say today is Thursday. Thursday, August 1st. And Henry is 6 months old. Aren't you? Say we have the hiccups, don't we? Oh, are you showing off your vocal ability? Yeah? What do you have to say? Yes? What do you have to say? Is there anything interesting about being 6 months old? Can you get your binky? Can you reach your binky and put it in your mouth? Say some of our new skills are putting our binky in our mouth, eating avocado in the mesh strainer. Say we like to talk, don't we? Yeah. Very nice. Say we're trying to get mobile, aren't we? Say that's it for today. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.